Прими его.
Comment. You look so fat.
Ow! What you doing?
What are you, fish head? She's so mad.
Come on, cuz. What the f? You in the shower? Nah, you ain't trying to get clean right now, cuz. Oh!
How many times did I tell you to get out of my chair? Oh, yeah.
Trying to take a bro.
He's gonna jump on you.
Go get you. What's a little kitten? Oh no!
It's not that deep.
Start, you piece of shit!
You getting stinky, sir.
I love you. That was so mean. Are you okay?
Wake up. I said wake the fuck up. Sleepy time's over. Let's go.
Yo, this whisker is thick as hell. Bonk.
Dave? Buddy? Do you even have bones?
Speed. I am speed.
I'm just gonna borrow the chips for a moment. Here. Give them. Just give them back. Give me the chips! Oh. Okay, I don't want any. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Good job.
Just a small coffee, please.
Small coffee, that'll be $1.29.
Do you take tooth?
Yes, we do.
Proof that cats are government spies. The white hair is her deactivate button. Her minion trying to stop me?
Okay, let's get you fed. Did you ever seen on my baby meow?
Now want to apologize to all of you for what I did. It was very wrong and I am very sorry. I just would like to move on and lead a normal life, you know.
What my cat hates more than being pet backwards?
Stop it. You're doing it wrong. I'm gonna tell Dad. Stop or else.
Nothing.
Oh my gosh. What?
Oh, such good doggies. Is you eating your food? That's good. That's good, baby.
Jackass. This is what I'm talking about. Okay. Salem is beautiful. Sitting here, an angel, a queen. Yes, baby. And then Tulip. This is how Tulip sits. This is how Tulip sits. All the time.
Lindsay, you're so dirty. Oh my gosh, Lindsay, you're so dirty. You're filthy. You got yourself filthy. Oh my goodness, you're so filthy.